To show notification when you tap and hold an app icon on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable notification on app icons option within the app icon pages menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap advanced setting. And then tap app icon pages. Now tap the gray on off switch next to notification on app icons until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, go to the home screen or app screen. Now tap and hold an app icon that has page notification on it. You can see that your phone is now displaying the notification you have on a pop-up. If needed, you can swipe the notification to remove it from the pop-up. Given to the function, this feature can be used as an alternative way to help you easily read notification without you have to open the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.